did bring out all the things that they gave me just to show you kind of a lineup of what they offered. Nasty. So, as you can tell, the car is filthy. I have been a terrible owner. It's been a minute since I've given it a wash. So, today, Superior Image is going to be helping me bring back the BRZ to its proper state. I'm headed over to my friend Cameron's house right now, and let's kick this video off. Like I said, this car is absolutely filthy. It probably has not been washed in over 2 weeks. I mean, you can see it now in the light. Oh my god, yeah, I'm ashamed of that. Like I said, today we're going to be fixing that, and we're going to be fixing that with a bunch of my favorite detail products. They work so well because they're insanely concentrated. These products come from a company called Superior Image. This is right here my favorite product of theirs. This is their Amplify ceramic detail spray. So it's a ceramic coating, or not so much a coating, but it's a ceramic detail spray. So you can use it to just do like little spots in your car. You could use it for wheels, paint, glass, literally whatever you want. This stuff will work on and keep your car protected. You're probably going to want to look into recoating every like once or twice a week if you want it to stay like 100%. But this is my favorite product. 1 second, I gotta smell it. Oh yeah, okay, all right, that's amazing. All right, let me put this down because we have a ton of other stuff here. Oh my god. All right, we have some glass cleaner. They really hooked us up. Also, I need to add that if you guys are looking for any of these products by yourself, I will have a link in the description. I do not make any money from it. I am just purely hooking it up because I think these products are top notch and they're slept on, like heavily slept on. And I have to say, we aren't gonna be using every single one of these products, but I did bring out all the things that they gave me just to show you kind of a lineup of what they offer. And they have a lot more than just their soaps and ceramics. And they also do offer just, I don't have it here, but they also do offer a legitimate ceramic that you can actually coat your car with that works really well, but I don't have it. I brought out everything in their arsenal for today's video. Alright, so like I said, we have a lot of stuff from this company, Superior Image, to use on the car. Not all of it is going to get used today. And the products we're going to be using today are Maxi Foam car wash shampoo. We're definitely going to be using the detail spray afterwards to give it some more protection. And we are going to be mixing a little bit of the cleaner degreaser. Now, I am a little bit scared to use some degreasers on these wheels because I have had an issue with it in the past. But luckily, Crush Power is very safe to use on all surfaces, especially when you do their dilution that is not as harsh. So there's a 20-to-1 dilution and there's a 30-to-1 dilution. We're going to be doing the 30-to-1 dilution with this when I use it on the wheels, just to be careful with them because they are very shiny, and things like scratches, scrapes, watermarks, anything show up, as you might already know, very well on these wheels. So we're going to be careful with that. But as I said, first we're going to be doing a quick rinse. Alright, well, we've got the car all clean, it's rinsed off, so now we're going to be hitting it with our first product, which is going to be our Maxi Foam. There is a dilution to this, and I will show you exactly how. We did have to wait to do this until later in the day, obviously. I mean, it is really gorgeous out right now, though, I'm not going to lie. Because if you wash your car outside in the sun in Arizona, it will bake on any of our soaps if it's too hot. So don't want to risk that. But like I said, we're going to be doing the Maxi Foam car wash. It's super simple. And also, just like I said, I love that every single one of these has a different flavor or smell to them, and they all smell like candy. Can't eat them. Actually, technically you could drink it, but don't, because they're all water-based. Solution, here's your milliliter. I'm gonna fill the rest of it up to the 34-ounce line with water. And I actually recommend putting a tiny bit extra in if you're going to use it in a foam cannon, because when you use it in the foam cannon, the water cycles through the foam cannon and dilutes it a little bit more. So if you are going to use this in a foam cannon and not just a bucket wash or a pro bottle detail, put a little bit extra in there. Literally just smells like a cherry exploded on this car. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my clean wash mitt, give it a little spray. And the point of getting the foam onto this and getting it wet is so that whatever debris is on your car just slides right over the mitt and you're not scratching your paint. Not much better than finally getting to clean your car after leaving it dirty for way too long. I've been having to look at it being super dirty for weeks now. Looking at it clean just makes me so much happier. So I got the other nozzle attached. We're gonna spray it down and get to the drying process. I was going to use the degreaser on the wheels and everything, but I was thinking I'm just gonna do soap and water because I've had some bad experiences in the past. Insert photo here of me using a different chemical on my wheel, and I think I chemically etched them, like I burned them. So I'm a little paranoid, but I suggest that you do a 1 to 30 dilution if you're going to use the wheel degreaser. And it works great, like it works like a charm, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the soap and water because they weren't even that dirty anyways. They just had a little surface dust on them. But it's time to rinse it down. Oh, yes. She's all sparkly again. Very nice. My favorite thing is when these wheels are clean because they shine so much. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera really, but it just looks like they're white sometimes. Like if you get the right light on them, like a very blue light, and they're super clean, they almost look like white faces. Another reason why I don't really want to wrap the car yet is I'm kind of just in love with the way the car looks right now. A lot of people ask, when am I going to wrap it and when am I going to like change it up? I have never built a car to where I've been completely content, and this is probably as close as I can get. So we're probably going to leave the car like this for now, but it will see some changes in the future. And we had black roof wrap on it, but let me tell you a quick story on that. I literally went to go and wash my car. Please don't kill me for this, but I had to use the brush on the roof, and it actually opened up a relief hole that I'd made and cut the... This is why you shouldn't use the brushes at car washes, but it basically like sliced my roof wrap. So I tore it off and we're back to the white, but it will be going back to black. Also debating wrapping these pillars black because it would look really cool. Okay, and last thing I said that we were going to be using is our Amplify ceramic detail spray. This stuff is insane, and I am going to be using it alongside of the drying process to the car. Basically what I'm going to do is, this car is still a little damp, and this product does not need to be diluted. So you can just slap a spray nozzle on and go to town. Basically just going to be spraying down the whole car with it as we dry it off. show me a better looking BRZ, honestly. Of course, I have my own opinions. I know not a lot of people are happy with like the Hot Boy stance look with the fitted tires and all that stuff, but like this car is literally exactly how I wanted it to come out when I had first seen it. And this is like phase 1. Yeah, it just looks so freaking good. And especially when you clean it. And I just want to real quick shout out to Superior Image for having some of the nicest detailing products you can get on the market. That's some of the only products that you can get on the market that are still like super concentrated, which is what really sets those apart from everyone else in the market. I'm gonna go ahead and call this a success though. The car looks phenomenal. Nothing beats a freshly cleaned car, and thank you big time to Superior Image. Link in the description if you'd like to check out their stuff. I highly recommend it. It's the only stuff that I use on my car. Also, just the way that the paint shimmers on this car, the flake in the white on this car has to be some of the craziest stock paint that I've ever seen.
I'm falling in love with this color.
I'm over the moon with how nice this is, like how awesome this came out. There's a couple other things I'd like to add to it soon, but this is like iteration 1, like I don't know, stage 1 of this car, and I couldn't be happier with it. If you enjoyed the detailing, the BRZ, and maybe you enjoyed just the camera work, just anything at all, just go ahead and give it a like. And if you are new here and you want to follow this build and see the rest of the stuff we do, definitely go down and hit that little red rectangle that says subscribe and make it gray and say subscribed. I really appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I will see you guys later.